If you're a fan of the Korean facial filling line called HOP, formerly Sculplla, but don't know how to apply all their products, stay tuned. I'm going to be applying each product one by one in the exact order you're supposed to use them, and that is coming up next. We start off with the HOP peel. This has been a smash hit because it is as hydrating and plumping as it is smoothing. It's got 25% pure acids in it, a ton of anti-inflammatories, including PLLA or polylactic acid and 4 different growth factors. Next comes this volumizing mousse cleanser. I love this. It's so soothing and it feels just so luxe and hydrating. It's packed with PLLA and all those anti-inflammatories we talked about earlier. So we're just going to sponge it off with lukewarm water, removing all that peel. Then we go in with the Paleo Skin Prep, once again chock full of PLLA, but also has polyhydroxy acids in it. So it's going to provide that perfect canvas so the skin can accept the Cavi, which is next. Cavi is our multi-serum. This is a rich oxygenating caviar-based cream, but it also has the 4GF and all the good polylactic acid. Then we do their eye cream, also very luxe, very smoothing. It's an eye and lip cream. This is a bestseller that includes polylactic acid and 4GF. Follow that with the Repair Cell Moisturizer. This wears a bit thinner than the Cavi, but has all the great 4GF and PLLA in it. Then we follow it with their all mineral sunscreen. This wears a bit matte. It is an SPF 50. And then at the end, we can make it less matte with the Paleo Stem Cell Mist. And that will seal everything in. And voila, this is your before and after. Find all these products in the store today.